Hey, in today's real estate tip with Real Estate with Tiana Key, I thought I'd tell you what's going on in the market with some of my clients and with myself personally. So this week I closed on the refinancing of my current home. Home equity has definitely increased. One of the things you may want to do if you've been living in a home for 3 years or more is contact me to get an update on what your current value of your home is. Better understanding the current value of your home will not only allow you to understand your financial position, it's just good to know where you are. And the other thing that you may want to do is change your homeowner's insurance, because if your property value has increased, you might want to reach out to your homeowner's insurance provider to make sure that you have the correct coverage. Now, what's happening with my buyer clients? I have a few buyer clients right now that are out in the Aurora, Naperville, western suburb area, and one really great thing that I'm noticing, there are a lot more homes to take a look at. Inventory is still low compared to the last normal year pre-COVID, so 2019, but there are a lot more homes. They are on the market for longer than 24 hours, so we are seeing homes that are on the market 15 days now, 30 days, and every day we're seeing more homes come on the market. Another difference that buyer clients are seeing in the homes are there are homes that are being, I'd say, maybe rushed to market. They're not as prepared as what we would traditionally think of a home going to market, say in the spring. Buyers are also seeing the up and down, the fluctuation of the interest rates. All of this depends on your credit score, your debt to income ratio. A lot of other factors come into play here, but the rates are trending up, and we're hearing from the professionals in the market, the lending field, that they do expect to be close to 4% by the end or the beginning of 2022. Days on market is a great metric to look at for a buyer. If you're seeing homes that have longer days on market, that might put you in the better negotiation position when it comes to your purchase price or things that you would like to have in that transaction, which was not really the case in the spring. In the spring and the summer, buyers were really competing just to be able to get their offer accepted and letting the seller kind of get away with everything. So if you're a seller right now, you really do want to get your house prepared to go onto market, or make sure that you are priced accordingly. If not, you do run the risk of staying on market a little bit longer and potentially having what we call a price improvement, which is essentially a deduction in your price. Sellers, we are hearing that 2022 will be just like, if not even more competitive for buyers as it was this year. So when the buyers came out, there weren't enough homes there, leading to the multiple offer situation, which helped to escalate the prices, get the sellers the best terms that they could ever want, and create that extreme seller's market. We do expect that to happen again in the spring. They don't expect inventory to level off quite to the way it was pre-COVID. So if you are thinking about putting your home on the market, let's talk about getting it ready, things you might need to do, some goals, some timelines, because we really want to be strategic when it comes to you finding the home that you want, and also getting you the best out of your home and the most money and the best terms and all that good stuff. One last tip for buyers who are considering purchasing before the end of the year. Remember, we do have the holidays coming up. In our area, the weather changes really quickly, and we cannot predict it always. That does impact how quickly business can be transacted. So if you are looking to get into the home before the holidays, now is the time for you to get out there and shop around. If you need help with better understanding the market in your area, please do reach out. I would love to help you. Follow me on Instagram or Facebook, and you can also sign up for my blog so that you get the newsletters and any other information that I send out on a weekly basis.